Good day, everyone, my followers, my fans. May God bless you all. Anywhere you are watching us. My name is Evangelist NKECHI ABUGU Ike Sinenu. I want to appreciate God for the gift of life, for His grace upon my life, upon my family, upon each one of you. May His name be highly exalted. And I want to use this opportunity to announce my birthday that's coming up on Sunday, being 20th of November. And by the grace of God, I want to celebrate my birthday in Motherless Baby ministry. I want to go there to sow seed in their life, because I know they need help. They don't have father, they don't have mother, so they need people that will help them. And I want to go there to celebrate my birthday, to sow seed in their life. If you are willing to join me as my fans and my followers, you can join me on Sunday. You can support through financial support. If you are willing to sow seed in their life, God will bless you. Not by force, it's willingly. If you are willing to do that, my Redeemer will reward you all. And by the grace of God, I want to use this opportunity to announce my new album. The title say Ihoma Gemeregi. I want to use that song to celebrate my birthday on Sunday. Ihoma Gemeregi. And good thing will happen in your life as you joining me, as you celebrating my birthday. My Redeemer will reward you all in the name of Jesus. I love you all. God bless you.